us. What do you think about these baskets?
I love those baskets.
Really? Who made those baskets?
Grandma.
Very nice. Who's grandma?
Dad. What?
With my mask? With my mask?
This is me laughing. So Jonah, who did all of these baskets?
Grandma.
How about Titi? Did Titi do anything?
No.
I'm ashamed of him. So grandma did everything, right?
And you did nothing.
So Jonah, are you excited about Easter? You're very excited? See, that's exciting. And which one is your basket? Show me. The blue one. It's very, very pretty. And whose baskets are all the others?
Mine.
Okay, but the blue one is yours. And what about the other baskets? Who do they belong to?
Grandma.
Uh-huh. And this is Uncle
This is
Tete?
mine?
No. Oh, no.
That was mine?
Yeah.
But I want this one, it's blue.
Oh, no, Jonah.
That's mine.
This was yours.
And that's yours.
But I want this one. And I'm going to take this one.
Say you can't have it. Say you can't have it. It's mine.
You can have it mine, but you have your own.
I have my own. So,
Who made it again? Who made it again?
Grandma.
How about Titi?
No. Titi did nothing.
What did Titi do? What did Titi do while Grandma was doing all of this?
You did nothing.
I just watched.
You did nothing.
I just watched. Where was I? Where was I when Grandma was doing the basket?
Grandma was ever like
And where was Titi?
you was in the bed doing nothing.
damn. Threw me on the bus.
Yeah, he threw me under the bus. Do you love your Titi? You love Titi a lot? Titi loves you too. Do you love Grandma? Do you love Grandma? You love Grandma? Do you love Grandma, Jonah? You love Grandma? Okay, say I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
Say thank you for the basket.
For the basket.
Oh. Okay, say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
And Easter.
And Easter.
Say happy Easter, everybody.
Happy Easter, everybody.
Yay.